And about 4 years later, I'm back at this dryer again. It was making a little bit of noise. When I did the rollers, I should have also replaced this idler pulley assembly. This is a little on the tight side. That should be spinning freely, and I gotta kind of really give it a nudge to make it turn. So idler, I think, hit the end of its life, but I should have replaced this long ago. But I got a kit that had everything. It had the slides, had the rollers. So since I had the thing apart, I just replaced everything, even though rollers got a little bit of wear on it, but they were still okay. So maybe I'll hang on to one of these as a spare, just in case something happens. The slides actually were aging all right. I mean, you see there's a little bit of wear, but these probably still had some life left in them. But again, it was open. Just replace it. Anyway, you can hear now. Everything's nice and smooth. And one thing I noticed was in here is that screw was loose. So good thing to come in here and check, because that, when you're in, take a look at everything, because that actually was one of the rattling noises that the user of this dryer was hearing. So that's all tight now and no more rattling. So I think we're in good shape.